Hello, dear students. I hope you are doing well. In today's lesson, we will learn how to ask the time in English and also how to answer when someone asks us about the time. Stay with the video until the end so I can explain everything clearly for you. Alright, dear friends, there are two common ways to ask about the time in English. The first one is, what time is it? The second one is, what is the time? Dear students, these two questions mean the same thing, and you can use either of them to ask about the time. Great! Now that we have learned how to ask about the time, let's learn how to answer these questions. Dear students, to tell the time, we can use the following words: past or after, to, half, quarter, o'clock. Now let's study each of these words. First, past or after. These are used to talk about the minutes that have passed after a certain hour. They are used for any time up to 30 minutes past the hour, my students. For example, what time is it? It is 20 past 8. It is 20 past 8. This means 20 minutes have passed after 8 o'clock. The word past is used here to show the past minutes, my students. Another example, what time is it? It is 15 after 3. This means 50 minutes have passed after 3 o'clock. The word after is used here to show the same idea, dear students. Let's move on to the next word, which is to. This is used to talk about how many minutes are left until the next hour. It is used for times after 30 minutes past the hour. For example, what time is it? It is 15 to 2. This means 50 minutes are left until 2 o'clock. The word to is used to show the remaining minutes here. Very good. I hope you understood everything so far. Make sure to repeat this a few more times on your own to remember it well. In the next lesson, we will talk about half and quarter. Now we have a practice page. Answer these questions based on your local time. For example, what time is it now? And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. A. Excuse me, what time is it? B. It is 10 past 8. A. Thank you. Do you have a watch? B. Yes, I always wear one. A. I usually forget the time. B. Don't worry, you can ask me anytime. A. What time does the class start? B. It starts at 9 o'clock. A. So we still have 50 minutes. B. Yes, let's review the lesson before it begins. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Past. It is 10 past 5. After. It is 20 after 9. To. It is 15 to 12. O'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Exactly. It is exactly 7 o'clock. Minute. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Hour. I waited for 1 hour. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1-hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes. And by the end of the course, speak English fluently. You can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.